Hello everyone, my name is Joanna, and today I'm going to be explaining the technical description and walkthrough of my vending machine code. So, the first thing that I did here is that I have just introduced my code like this with a print function, and yes, and it's supposed to create a sense of hospitality and welcoming the customer or user to my vending machine. And next, we move on to the different menus that I have made for each of the different kind of items, and one of them is cold drinks, hot drinks, chips, snacks, and kids, just for variety. And there are four keys in each menu: item code, item name, item stock, and item price. Okay, so next we move on to the function named print menu, and this is for neatly displaying the categories, items, and their information or values by using a for loop which loops the dictionaries. And lastly, we call or print the menu, all five menus. Next, the user has to enter the amount of money that they have, and once they enter this money, they can purchase from the vending machine. And there is another input statement for them to enter the item code, and this will receive the input from the user, which is the item code, and the amount inserted by the user is displayed along with the statement that is to be printed. And the next part of the vending machine is for the selection of items to be displayed, and there is a code made for this for all different five menus. And we can modify a variable outside its current scope by using the global keyword in Python. By using it, you can create a global variable and change it in a local context. And this can be accessed by all of the Python program functions. And in each menu, we can see that there is a def function along, and it's used along with a for loop as well. And this def function is used for creating a or defining a variable. So as you can see here, I have done the same for each of the five menus, and this uses a for loop as mentioned earlier, and you can see that I have used an f string right here, and this f string is used for formatting, which is what f stands for. And it's also used for appending variables. And as you can see, the string format method, it actually takes longer to finish than the f string method, which is faster overall. And this will actually help the program print a message informing the user that the item has been dispensed, and it also shows how much change that they will receive from the amount that they inserted. And yeah, and even that is printed out like if your change is change. So next we move on to the recommendations list for the user, and this is a series of if statements which which is what will happen when the user inputs a certain item code, and they will get this sentence printed out next, and it is, would you like to purchase some snacks? So it gives the user a more friendlier option, and it also advertises some more. And next, there is another variable that says users input, and that is, would you like to purchase more items with your purchase? And this is the last stage of the program, and that is asking the user if they want to buy more, or no, they could just leave. And this is a if else statement, or just two if statements. And if the user inputs is equal to yes, the menu will be printed again, and the user will have to input the item code again, and then the item choice whole process starts all over again. And once the item code has been typed, these print statements will be displayed. And if the user inputs no, It will just print. Thank you for purchasing with us and have a great day. And that is the end of the vending machine project. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Thank you.